This video includes an overview of how to use the Napoleon Prestige Connected gas grill with the Napoleon Home App. One of the features of the Prestige is its ability to be paired to a connected device to expand the cooking versatility through the Napoleon Home App. Begin by using your preferred connected device and download the Napoleon Home App from the App Store or Play Store. A QR code link is provided in the product manual to easily access the app. Once downloaded, complete the registration process to finalize your account. To pair the Prestige to the Napoleon Home App, turn on the grill's display, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. The display will then restart, and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons will begin to flash. Once the grill is in pairing mode, open the Napoleon Home App on your connected device and select the Add Device button or plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Select Begin, and the device will start searching for nearby Napoleon products in pairing mode. Select the Prestige, then the Wi-Fi network you want to connect the grill to, and enter the credentials to get signed in. From here, you can customize the name of the grill and name its location before selecting Next to finalize pairing the device. The Napoleon Home App can be installed on any number of devices using the same login and Wi-Fi connection to monitor the usage of the Prestige. It's important to note that the Napoleon Home App cannot be used to start the grill, but is used to monitor the grill once started. After selecting the Prestige in the Napoleon Home App, the main screen will showcase the name of the grill, battery level, propane level, settings icon, probe temperatures, and grill ambient temperature identified by the grill icon. The ambient temperature in the app and on the LCD showcases the burner temperature inside the grill, while the AccuProbe temperature gauge on the lid measures the dome temperature inside the grill. Back into the Napoleon Home App, you'll notice a power button at the bottom. This allows you to turn the grill's display off. Along with probe and ambient grill temperatures, the bottom section offers a graph view, which showcases the temperature of the grill and probes over time, with the ability to adjust the time period being viewed, and a toggle for a target trend line to predict when a target temperature will be achieved. The last section offers a link to recipes from Napoleon's website, allowing you to explore new meal ideas. To access the settings, select the gear in the top right-hand corner of the probes page. The first section is where you can change your temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The next section down is where you can choose to have the safety glow control knob lights on or off. The language section offers the ability to select which language you wish to read in the app. This will automatically switch according to the language selected on your device. Calibration of the tank scale can also be done in the settings menu. Step-by-step instructions will be displayed to walk you through the tearing and calibration process. Under the display settings, there is a toggle to offer the ability to keep your device from automatically locking, allowing you to monitor the cook with ease. A probe stopwatch toggle is offered, which allows you to select if a stopwatch icon and timer will appear when a timer is set up. The automatic shutoff option allows the selection of a maximum runtime for the display when on battery power. This does not shut off the grill's burners. Brightness levels can be adjusted on the grill's display to ensure it can be easily viewed regardless of the lighting conditions. The account section offers access to any saved grills that have previously been performed. This will allow consistency and recall of the settings used to cook specific saved meals. Temperature alert and timer alert notifications allow you to select which sound the device will make when a set probe temperature is achieved or when a timer is complete. A toggle for battery life notifications is also made available to inform you when there is a low battery level in the battery holder. The contact section offers the ability to access help and support documents, such as the manual for troubleshooting assistance and the ability to provide feedback on your experience using the grill. The About Device section offers information on the grill, such as device name, which can be changed as desired. Device model, which allows you to select which grill is being used. The device type, digital serial number, or DSN, and firmware version are also made available for troubleshooting solutions. The bottom of the settings page offers a Remove Device button, which allows the removal of the grill from the Napoleon Home App account. To set up a cook in the Napoleon Home App, select Setup Probe. From here, a number of options will appear to allow the selection of the type of food being cooked, a review of previous grills, or an option to set up the probe manually. Once the desired food has been selected, select the doneness to ensure the food is cooked to the correct temperature. This internal temperature will automatically populate according to the doneness selected. This will need to be set each time the probe is being used according to the desired cooking style. Once a cook has been set, notifications can be set up on your device to ensure you can monitor your cook with ease. To set up a notification, you can drag up the grill alerts icon at the bottom where you will be able to set up a temperature alert. Select Add Alert at the bottom to set a timer notification. This can be named as desired and offers the ability to select the duration of the timer and which active cook it's applied to, or if you wish to run the timer against all active probes. From the probe review screen, a notification can also be created by pressing the bell and plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner. The temperature alert can also be named as desired, with the ability to select the target temperature that you wish to receive the alert at. This temperature alert can be set for the active probe under a selected cook, or for all active probes in the grill. Once the desired temperature or timer has been selected, select the Add Alert button at the bottom to save the alert. Once doing so, a notification bell will be added to the probe review screen. To copy a selected cook over to additional probes, select the cook you wish to copy and select the double square icon in the top right-hand corner. From here, select the probes you wish to copy the cook over to and select Copy. From the probe review screen, you will then see that the cook and notifications have been copied over to the selected probes. See the links in the description for additional videos on how to use the Prestige Connected gas grill. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.